What if the treatment that could save your life hasn't been approved yet, but already exists? What if access to a clinical trial not available in your country could give you or your loved one a fighting chance? Too many people around the world never get that chance, not because of their diagnosis, but because they never knew these options existed. At MediPocket USA, we are changing that. Welcome to the MediPocket USA podcast series, where we share expert insights, global innovations, and real stories that bring hope within reach. I'm Dr. Priyanka Mathur, an international physician and founder of MediPocket USA. Today's episode is all about something deeply personal and powerful: hope, the impact of timely access to pioneering US clinical trials. So, clinical trials, the backbone of medical breakthroughs, have come a long way. In 1747, James Lind conducted what is considered the first clinical trial on sailors with scurvy, ultimately discovering the healing power of citrus. By 1947, randomized controlled trials were introduced, and after World War II, strict ethical framework like Nuremberg Code and Declaration of Helsinki were established to protect human subjects. Today, every clinical trial must uphold transparency, ethics, and rigorous oversight. Why clinical trials matter? The clinical trials aren't just for labs and papers, they save lives. Consider these breakthroughs: cancer therapies like immunotherapy, targeted gene therapy, and tumor vaccines; gene therapy for spinal muscular atrophy, turning a fatal diagnosis into a manageable condition; CRISPR research on genetic diseases offering potential cures at the source; and of course, mRNA vaccines developed at record speed during COVID 19, thanks to global clinical trials. For patients, especially those with limited or failed options, clinical trials are a lifeline. Why the US leads in clinical trials? Now, the United States hosts the majority of global clinical trials, supported by state of the art research facilities, access to top tier specialists across 50 plus medical specialties, FDA oversight for strict safety and efficacy, comprehensive care models that go far beyond experimental treatments alone. Yet, international patients often face barriers: lack of awareness, visa and travel logistics, uncertainty in navigating the US medical system. Now, this is where MediPocket USA steps in. What MediPocket offers: we connect global patients from India, UAE, Nigeria, Japan, and beyond to the right US clinical trials and world class research hospitals like MD Anderson Cancer Center, Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, Mayo Clinic, Johns Hopkins, Stanford Medicine, and others. With our support, patients get virtually screened for trial eligibility through Dr. AI, our intelligent medical AI agent, have their case reviewed by a US trial specialist without immediate travel, receive concierge support in medical visa assistance, housing, transport, and care coordination. We have helped patients from 23 plus countries and across 50 specialties access game changing care from rare genetic disorder to advanced oncology. Here are a real patient story. Take Amina, a 34-year-old mother from Saudi Arabia, diagnosed with triple negative breast cancer. Her local options were exhausted. Through MediPocket, we matched her to a phase 2 immunotherapy trial at a top US center. Her words still echo with us: "This trial gave me something I hadn't felt in months: real hope." So, why this matters now? In medicine, timing is everything. The difference between knowing about a clinical trial today versus 6 months from now can change a life's trajectory. At MediPocket, our mission is to ensure that no one is left behind because of where they live. So if you or a loved one is exploring advanced care options, don't wait. Let us help. Have a question? Our team is ready to guide you step by step. Subscribe to this channel for more life changing insights, expert interviews, and patient stories. I can share this episode to help someone in your network who might be searching for answers, someone who may not know that access to life changing trials in the United States is just a message away. Together, we can bring hope closer to those who need it most. This is Dr. Priyanka Mathur, and thank you for joining us. And remember, hope isn't just an emotion, it's a strategy.